Go ahead.
Okay, so
What's today's date?
Today is December.
Okay, hurry up now.
8th, 2016. I'm 10 years old, and I'm getting a car.
10 years old for 11 more days. And who paid for this car?
I did.
Where'd you learn how to use a knife?
Dad,
Can you stop for a sec? Daddy told me a special way to use a knife the other day to open a box so you don't dip in too far. Do you know how to do that?
You put this finger right
I
here.
think he's too high. I mean, the box is too high.
That is.
Maybe you can try it another day, but you're sticking the knife pretty low. You're so handsome. Look at that nice, handsome face he has.
Oh, thanks.
Might need the knife again.
Duds, 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 duds.
What the heck? What's
Whoa,
that?
whoa, dudes.
Well, that's small.
Oh, 42 miles an hour.
It's gonna go faster than Joey's?
42, yeah, right.
Joey.
Okay, let's see Joey's car.
Yeah,
And
right.
it's four-wheel drive.
Joey, how fast does your car go?
Probably like 45.
Oh my gosh.
No.
Joey's
that one's
car
not available for you.
is faster than yours because he says so. Alright, can I stop videoing or do you want to
No, I
pull
want
it
you
out?
to-
I mean, take the car out
Well,
of
there's
the
clearly a
box.
screw on the bottom ball joint. What about the top one?
There's one on the top.
Is that lower one loose?
No.
It's super cool that they have those. How advanced.
It's gonna happen. Some assembly required.
I think that's right.
Okay, smile for Grandma.